Hello colleagues, how are you doing? So in this presentation, we want to discuss about one of the rare occurrences in abdominal ultrasound scan. Have you ever heard about a portal vein aneurysm? So here we do have got a case where we have got a segmental portal vein aneurysm. So what you have here, you can see this is a focal dilation of the portal vein there. So this aneurysm is localized here in the left portal vein. If you look at the liver again, you can see that there is a scarring, a fibrosis that is starting to develop in the liver there. So fibrosis is an early sign. You can see the aneurysm there. Look at this focal dilation. You can see there's a portal vein aneurysm there. You can see it's localized here. It's localized here. So this focal dilation is what we call an aneurysm of the portal vein. So you can look at it, you can see that it's dilated there, and it's not a cyst, and there's color flow on it. You can see if you use Doppler, you can see that it's picking color nicely. There's color flow on Doppler there. So hepatic fibrosis is a hepatic fibrosis is one of the early signs of liver cirrhosis. So scarring starts to happen, then it's either it will resolve back to normal. So this is mild scarring that is here. So we hope that this liver is going to resolve. Otherwise, if it doesn't resolve, it will then move on to the next stage, which is hepatic cirrhosis. Then cirrhotic livers are also prone to develop hepatic cancer. So that's this cascade of events that can happen. So liver fibrosis is one of those things that can be caused by alcohol. So the liver has to be saved. The liver has to be saved. But the occurrence of an aneurysm of the portal vein is rare, but it can happen. Is in this case, as you can see. So if you look at the main portal vein there, it looks fine. It looks okay. There are no issues with the main portal vein. The only issue you can see is only here. It's only there where you have got your aneurysm there. That's where the challenge is. So the rest of the is fine. So that's an aneurysm. That's an aneurysm. Do you believe that's an aneurysm, or you think otherwise? If you think that this is an aneurysm, you are thinking like what I'm thinking. So because this is a focal thickening, the rest of the liver appear normal. If you ever seen an aneurysm during your practice, or So first time to see an aneurysm of the portal vein, or you just overlook it, or you've been overlooking it. So I need your comments, guys. Comment on this type of a liver, or do you think that is normal? Is this a normal occurrence, or it's an aneurysm? If it's a normal occurrence, tell me that it's normal. And if you think that the parenchyma of the liver is normal, again, the parenchyma is normal, let me know that this parenchyma is normal. I am seeing fibrotic changes. I am seeing early signs of fibrosis. So there is hepatic scarring. So I need your comments. If you think likewise, or if you've got differentials, feel free, so that we share the knowledge, so that we don't share or cascade lies. So there you have it. There you have it. I hope it's making sense that this is an intrahepatic aneurysm. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen. So I have got a second presentation that I'm going to make, where I need to show you how a mirror artifact appears like. So the mirror artifact that I had is for the liver itself, and the diaphragm is the mirror, and you're going to see a duplicate liver. So stay tuned. Thank you.